Welcome to Faith and Fit, where we train with intention and grow stronger in spirit and body. Today, let's master one of the most powerful movements in fitness, the squat. To perform a basic squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, your core tight, and your back straight. Lower your hips back and down as if you're sitting into a chair. Go as low as your mobility allows, ideally thighs parallel to the floor. Press through your heels to return to standing. Avoid letting your knees cave in or your heels lift off the ground. Breathe in as you lower and exhale as you rise. Control each rep. This builds strength, not just speed. Now let's look at a few squat variations. There's the body squat for beginners, the goblet squat using a dumbbell, and the barbell hack squat for building heavy strength. You also got sumo squats for inner thighs, Bulgarian split squats for balance, and jump squats for explosive power. Each variation hits different muscles or skills, from mobility to coordination to raw strength. You can mix and match based on your fitness level and training goals. Squats build more than just muscle, they build discipline too. Remember, every rep is a building opportunity to grow. Strengthen the feeble hands, steady the knees that give way. Isaiah 35:3. Subscribe for more Bible-based training and keep showing up, strong in body, rooted in faith.